is Wondabyne.
So guys, so we're setting our tent up on that little island thingy there in the water. Yeah. Now we're setting up right there under the sign.
I almost fell over. Yep. Someone had a bit of fun here with their ramming. Sure. Huh?
Thank you. You too.
He's British.
Hate the British. I hate the Brits. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. I love the Brits. Oh shit.
You better not be filming me.
Oh shit. No! Don't fall!
Oh, break my neck!
Shit. Kept there.
Fucking where people walk.
Huh?
Where people walk.
We have a freighter about to pass through platform number 1.
We already had an express one come through.
Oh, it's the same one from earlier! The Wyong vlog.
What's that?
You from the Central Coast?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
How about you guys?
Entrance.
Oh, the entrance.
Yep. And he's suburban, Sydney.
Melbourne. Okay.
I originate from Melbourne. Moved up here. Much nicer.
I like Melbourne.
Much nicer up here.
It's a good vibe. You're camping.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nope. I've never seen that locomotive in my life. I've never seen that locomotive before. No.
No, the number. You saw it, yes?
No! No!
It's really funny. It's your worst enemy.
No!
It's your worst enemy.
I'm having a stroke. I'm not feeling good.
I think one What is everyone piling in the back for? Afternoon.
Please stay clear.
Really funny. D151.
This was the fun.
Oh, there's the one that side too.
Not in service.
The 6 car, isn't it?
Never mind, that one's the one we saw earlier, the one where the front four cars have weird depth on it. In fact, the whole section doesn't work. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn the bell on so you'll be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And I will see you guys in the next one.